Come with me and meet what might just be the ultimate Uber share riding vehicle, the ID.Buzz. Honestly, I love the retro look. Your customers will be able to find you easily. Long distance won't be a problem as it offers 286-mile range. It's the ultimate package. They say a craftsman never blames his tools. The Volkswagen ID.Buzz surely will not disappoint. Whether it's an airport job or moving extended family, the Volkswagen's enormous interior space can accommodate any job. It's super functional. Just look at this storage. You can move it elsewhere and you've created yourself more room. You got armrests, and at the front you have even more storage to place whatever items. Safety wise, your eyes are always going to be on the road with a heads-up display, and your customers will feel like a royalty by opening and closing the door with just touch of the button, and completing the customer experience with the upgraded sound system. Passengers on the side can enjoy using the table, pockets for the phone, and adjust the 3-zone climate control. Recline the rear seats for extra comfort, and the passenger in the middle will be extra happy because of the legroom. Talking of packages, you can order your ID.Buzz with us. We'll include insurance, PCO renewal, MOT, servicing, and we're the only few who offer tyres and brake pads. I am Hamad. I'll be seeing you in Splend Cricklewood.